Let us begin our journey of learning with some interesting facts about Microsoft Excel. But even before we do that, let us know what Excel is. Simply speaking, Excel is a worksheet. But then, what is a worksheet? Consider worksheet as a ledger and more. It lets us enter data, manipulate data, analyze data, and picturize data. An Excel document is known as the workbook, and it may contain multiple worksheets. The Excel sheet is divided into several vertical columns and horizontal rows. There are 16,384 columns and 1,048,576 rows in a worksheet. The columns in Excel begin with alphabet A and go up to XFD. The rows in Excel begin with number 1 and go up to 1,048,576. The intersections of the column and rows form the cells. Each of these cells are demarcated by a rectangular box. Each cell is identified by a unique name. The default name for a given cell is the combination of its column name and its row number. Thus, each of the cells get alphanumeric name by default. For instance, the default name of the cell that is formed by the intersection of column A and row 1 is called A1. And so, if A1 is the first cell, last cell is XFD 1048576. The maximum number of cells that a sheet can contain is a whopping 17,179,869,184. The number of digits that a cell can hold is 15. However, if the input happens to be text, the cell may contain a maximum of 32,767 characters. The cells can also contain dates or formula. If all the cells were to be filled, it would amount to a huge data. If a single worksheet can hold so much of data, think how much more several such sheets will hold together.